Hey Marlee, so we just did pranayama here at Vibrations. How long have you been doing yoga?
About 2 years.
And what'd you think of the pranayama?
I thought it was amazing. Excellent class.
Yeah?
Very cool. And now, after practicing for 2 years, I can finally see an aura versus just touching someone. And
Wow,
being
that's
able
a
to
heavy
get it.
testimonial.
Yeah, for sure.
So you saw your first aura here
On
at
you.
this.
Yep.
You would recommend this for beginners even?
Oh yeah, definitely. Well, my mother-in-law is a beginner, and so maybe she can
Oh my
come
god.
say something. Super beginner.
Yeah, empty cup. Empty cup.
Did you like it?
I loved it. I loved it.
Like, you had a lot of smiling, giggly moments. I was watching you.
Yeah.
It's like she's eating up that visualization.
Yes.
Like, ooh, and then
Yes.
gratitude, everything. You were just like such a pleasure to teach.
Oh, thank you so much. I believe that I am selling myself short,
How so?
and you have opened that for me.
She
What-
has been suppressing this because
Yes.
Oh, coming to classes?
Where
Because
she-
this is your second yoga class ever, and it was a
Yes.
breathing, a 2.5
Yes.
hour breathing workshop.
Yes, yes, and you taught me in this small space how to access things that I have been ignoring and neglecting. And I have an achy shoulder, had an achy shoulder, and by focusing on my oxygen going to my extremities, it just went away.
Wow.
It just went. It does not hurt.
And then you were all like smiling, giggly in the visualization. What was going on in your mind?
Oh yeah, because I.
I want to know that too.
Yeah,
yeah.
it was literally like so many times, like 3-4 times.
Well, I'm not going to share my
Sure, don't do that.
visualization,
That's private.
But, yes,
But what did it open up for you in a generic way?
It opened up that one of the things that I'm trying to learn is this going to feed my body or is it going to feed my waistline? And so my breakfast, I was focusing on my
Wow,
breakfast.
I see.
Yeah, and my breakfast was this fantastic yogurt I found, and some oatmeal mixed in.
Yeah.
And it was awesome.
Oh,
because-
with your outcome achieved, that was.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, that I don't want to have other breakfasts. That's all I want
That's
for breakfast
beautiful.
because it feeds my body.
Wow. Now
Yeah.
I'm all smiley and giggling.
Yeah, see,
So
it's addictive, and it's catching, and that's what you bring.
oh, Chantel and Marlee,
Yes.
thanks for the testimonial, guys.
Oh,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Here at Vibrations Yoga in Foley, Alabama.